There's one. Was it that bad, Larry? Boy, I can stick out here more. The rain's not as hard as it was before. That was that same kind of bolt, but it was like right in front of me here. It came down and it was really like, it was crazy as shit. My neighbor. Whoa, I was like, come on, Thunderbolt. I was getting ready to say, come on, Thunderbolt.